Hi, I'm here to show you how to access some sources that will help you with your research. The first thing to do is go to our school website and we're going to access the library. So once we get to library, we're going to look for the middle school, high school library, which will be on the right side. And then we're going to go to our database subscriptions on top of this tab. And what you see here are a couple subscriptions that our school has bought for you, so it's free for you to access. So some of the ones that you can use are ProQuest and Infobase. These two are great for looking at sources or journals, newspaper articles that have been researched for our case for history topics. For you go to for ProQuest, it's going to ask for your login, and that's the login I emailed you. So check the username and password to use it. But once you get here, you can type in anything that relates to your topic, and you should be able to search for some sources here. For example, if you type in World War II and click search, you should have some sources here, and it gives you what type of source is it, a journal, a newspaper, and such. And you can click on it and it gives you information on what that is. If I click on this, here you go. And so here is an article on it, and it gives you the publisher, and it's New York Times. So what it does is it gives you access to sources that are they're filtered enough where it's academic. You're not just going on internet to Google and search things that it might lead you to different websites that are not reliable. These ones are. All right. So that is ProQuest Infobase, another one, separate username and password, but you have that sent to you. So we'll have that in. And then here it's broken up by topics. So again, you go to the one topic that your project is on. If it's ancient medieval history, which is mostly 6th and 7th grade, it gives you some things here, or you can just type in some keywords to help you. For example, Black Death. And it gives you some examples here, some articles to look at, and then it gets you going here. So these are two ones that I think you should go to first rather than going on Google, is using our library resources. And it's paid, it's free already for you, and go on ProQuest and Infobase. JSTOR is another one, most likely it's for high school level. You can try that one. We have a free membership for that one as well, but I would try ProQuest and Infobase first.